right. So I have a really crazy product here. It's a pretty thin one, right? Not much to it. This is a Ho Son Yin audio splitter. It's a 1 to 5 audio splitter. This is crazy, folks. See if I can get it open. Oh, yep, I can. All right. So it comes just like this in this bag. And you pull it out, throw away the bag because you'll never need that again. But it's a 1 to 5 audio splitter. Now, if you were a kid and you had a friend with a boombox or a tape recorder, you might have seen the doubles where you plug this in. It looks like a little V, and you could share your music with your friend. Well, this is the fiver. So the reason I got this is pretty simple. I have a set of speakers on my desk that I need at night, and I have a set of headphones that I sometimes need during the day. So what we want to do is connect both of these to the computer. So that's why I got it. So we are going to do this. Nice jack. So I'm going to pull this one out, and I'm going to put this one in. And then I'm going to, guess I could show you what I'm doing. There it is on the computer, folks. So I plugged it in to the jack, and now I'm going to plug in the speakers on my desk to this jack, and then I'm going to plug in the headphones. And I'm just going to plug these in right there. This should give me some sound. Now, how to test it. All right, tell you what, I know how I can test it. I got to go get some music. We're going to sample some music. Because in my YouTube, I got Creator Music Beta. So we're going to go into the free stuff and we're going to test it. So I'm going to mute my microphone and we're just going to listen for the. Okay. My microphone is muted and we're going to listen to the speakers. This is Hall of the Mountain King by Dramatic Classical, and Kevin McLeod is who did this one. All right, I can hear it. All right, so that's through the speaker part of it. I don't think it's as loud as it was, but yeah, we'll see. All right. And it's also right here. All right, folks. It worked. I now have, whoops. All right, folks, that worked. I now have sound through my speakers and my headset at the same time. So that's really, really cool. Okay, perfect. exactly what I needed that to do, and it did it. So, folks, that's the end of this video. As always, I will put a link to the product down in the description if you feel like you need something like this. And if you liked the video, please like and subscribe so that you can make sure to get more videos just like this. And I will bring you a new video later. Have a great day, guys.